Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1564, put boxes into the warehouse 1. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using two things. First, we'll be sorting the boxes area that's given to us so that it is in increasing order. And then we'll be using the height of the warehouse, the current height that we're looking at, as a limiting factor. So how do we use that? Let's start writing the solution and it'll become a little easier. So let's get m to be the length of the boxes that we're looking at. Let's get n as a number of the length of the warehouse. Right, and let's just initialize a variable called result that we will be returning in the end. Also, we need to sort out the arrays. Arrays.sort, just one array that we'll be sorting, which is boxes. Right. We have a for loop that goes through everything. So I less than m, and then result is less than n I plus plus. So what exactly does this mean? It means as long as the number of boxes that we're looking at is less than the total number of boxes, and the result, which is the number of boxes that we put in the warehouse, is less than the number of warehouse spaces that are available, we should keep going over the loop. So we need to check. So since we need to put all the small boxes to the right and the bigger boxes to the left, and once you put in a box to the left, you can't really put anything bigger than that to the right of that particular box. So the way we'll be arranging it is, if boxes of m minus I minus 1, which means we are starting to look at the boxes from the right. That means the biggest height of the box. If it is less than or equal to warehouse dot result, which means the biggest box that we're looking at, if it is less than or equal to the first warehouse that we see, you will just place it in, and you'd increase the number of boxes that you've added to the warehouse. So why does this work? The reason why it works is because once you put in a particular box into the warehouse, you cannot put anything that is bigger than that to the right. So that's the reason why you keep start looking at the boxes in a decreasing order, and then you start to put the boxes at the beginning of the warehouse, and everything that you put right after has to be smaller than the one that you put beneath it, because that's one of the requirements that you see right here. So if you use this algorithm, you should actually get the answer. So let's compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case looks okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about this based on the time complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is n log n, because we are sorting the boxes array, and the space complexity is O of 1, since we're not really using any additional data structures to store information. Awesome. So that's the solution to this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.